If you're starting your seeds indoor and planting all kinds of vegetable seeds and herbs and maybe even some flowers for your spring and summer garden, chances are you will face a common problem, and that's long, leggy seedlings. There are many reasons why your seedlings grow so tall and leggy. Here are some simple tips to save them. Light. As soon as your seeds start to rise, you need to make sure they get sufficient light. Behind a bright sunny window is the most ideal place. Thin them out. If there are too many seedlings in one small pot, you need to thin them out. Leave 1 or 2 in each pot and remove the rest. Maybe you can save the rest by transplanting them into new pots and containers. If you keep too many of them in one single pot, they're all going to stretch and reach up for light, and it becomes a race to which one can get to the top first. Avoid overwatering. Do not overwater your seedlings. It's okay if the potting mix stays moist, but you don't need to water them every day. Let the top layer appear dry before watering again. Put them outside. If the weather is warm enough, you can put your seedlings outside for a couple of hours any day you get a chance. But don't forget to bring them back inside, especially during the cold evenings. Fan them out. Another way to make sure your seedlings become strong and sturdy is to create a light breeze. If there is some kind of wind blowing your seedlings, they have no choice but to resist. Therefore, they become stronger and sturdier. Have a light fan blowing on them from time to time. Bury them deeper. If there's space in the pot, you can add more potting mix to bury the stems. You can also do the same when you're transplanting them. Transplant. You can transplant your seedlings into bigger pots, or if the weather is nice and warm already, transplant them outside into your garden. Once they are transplanted outside, they can get the natural light, the wind, the space, and everything else. They will slowly grow and become into strong and healthy looking plants. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more creative videos on living a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle. Follow me on social media at the QG Lifestyle.